In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Zoom, how to easily zoom in Webcam in OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS streaming guide. Let's start inside OBS Studio or Streamlabs. Make sure you're in the scene where your webcam already appears. In the sources box, click your webcam source to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a red bounding box around the video in the preview. This box is your on-canvas controller for cropping and resizing, and it's the fastest way to create a clean zoom without changing your camera settings. For a quick manual crop, hold the Alt key on Windows or Option on a Mac. While holding that key, move your mouse to any edge of the red bounding box. Click and drag the edge inward to hide parts of the frame you don't want, like extra background or empty space. You can crop from any side and you'll see the visible area update in real time. If you pull too far, simply drag the edge back out until your framing looks natural. Once you've cropped the frame to highlight what matters, release the Alt or Option key. Now click and drag the corners of the red box to resize the source. As you scale it up, the cropped area gets larger on the canvas, creating the zoomed-in look. Aim to fill the canvas, or set it to the size that best fits your layout. Keep an eye on clarity. Zooming in too much on a low-resolution feed can make the image look soft. If you prefer a precise, repeatable approach, you can use a filter. Right-click your camera source in the Sources box and choose Filters. In the Effect Filters section, add a crop pad filter. You'll see fields for left, right, top, and bottom. Enter pixel values to trim exactly how much you want from each side. This is great when you need consistent framing across scenes or between sessions because you can reuse the same numbers. After you dial in those values, close the Filters window. Back in your preview, resize the source normally to zoom in, just like before. The principle is the same. Crop to define the visible area, then scale to magnify it. The filter method simply gives you fine control and easy repeatability, while the on-canvas crop is perfect for quick adjustments. That's all you need to zoom your webcam cleanly in OBS or Streamlabs. Choose the method that fits your workflow, watch your framing and image quality, and you'll have a professional close-up shot ready for streaming or recording.